Hi mga kachupa! Isang linggo ko nagpahingang mag-vlog. Medyo busy. Medyo busy kami itong mga nakaraang araw kasi nag-alaga ako ng pusa. May bago akong pusa.
Outside, I just saw it was sunny. Then when we go outside, it's not sunny anymore.
For today's video, mag-grocery kami ng aming 2 weeks groceries sa Walmart. So, kailangan namin bumili ng pang 2 weeks. Ang mga bagets nasa bahay. Hindi na sumama kasi yung aking stepdaughter, ang kanyang friendly is nandun sa bahay. I'm gonna close a little bit. So, pag sumama sila, parang marami na kami sa sasakyan. So, hindi na sila sumama. So, kami dalawa na lang na asawa ko. Dapat hindi ako mag-vlog kasi tag dito. Kung kasama sila, pero sabi ko nga, hindi naman sila kasama. So, mag-vlog na tayo. 1 week din ako nagpahinga sa pag-vlog kasi yung aking alagang si Kiki sabi ng kaibigan kong panghi naman ng pangalan ng alaga mo, bakit ganyan? Sabi ko, mapanghi rin naman yung may-ari. Natatawa na naman ako. Parami na yung aking subscriber. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nagsusubscribe at natutuwa sa aking video. So for today's video is mag-grocery tayo sa Walmart. Titignan natin kung ano yung mga pili, kung mataas na ba or ano. Kasi nakalaang ulit-ulit na naman tayo ng grocery. Sabihin, nagsasawa na kami sa grocery mo. Pag-grocery ka lang, baka sabihin, dami na yung pera, ano ka day? Minsan lang kami mag-grocery ng ganung karami dahil bihira lang din kami mag-grocery. Kasi ang aking asawa busy. So, ayan na. Punta muna tayo sa Walmart. Medyo malapit lang naman dito sa amin yung Walmart. Buti yung mga kids hindi sumama kasi pagka feeling ko kasama yung kids, napaparami ang grocery. Kahit yung walang kasi ang binibili lang namin talaga is yung pagkain lang talaga, yung hindi yung mga puro chichirya kasi pagkakasama namin yung kids puro snacks ang binibili. Kaya sabi ko nga, buti na lang hindi sila sumama. One thing advantage, pag mag-grocery ka, may sama anak mo. Ubus ang pera mo, sama anak mo. So maganda yun, yung kami lang ang mag-grocery para yung nag-grocery ba yung sakto lang sa budget, di ba? Nakakapag-grocery kami ng $100 to $200. So sorry, 10,000 din. Pero matagal din naman kami bago mag-grocery. Ang binibili lang namin is yung mga usually yung ginagamit namin, tubig, itlog, mantika, ganyan. Pero ako talaga hindi na ako bumibili ng ng sugar, brown sugar, ganyan. Pag kasi nagluluto ako ng adobo. Minsan kasi napaklaan ako or naalatan ako pagka marami akong nalagay ng toyo. So minsan dinadagdagan ko ng sugar, pero ngayon nga hindi na kami bumibili ng sugar. Pagka nagkakape kami, ang nilalagay namin honey. So doon tayo sa mas better option, di ba? Kung meron namang pera ang asawa, doon tayo sa better option, di ba? So buti itong asawa ko, pagdating sa pagkain, hindi kami tinitipid yung mas better option, ganun siya. Pero ang mga snacks ko nga ngayon is for mga nuts, walnuts, yung mga healthy stuff na talaga. Kasi kailangan ko na talagang change ng lifestyle kasi kailangan talaga para buntis na, kailangan magpalit-palit din ng ay gising lang namin kasi kanina nagsimba nga kami, di ba? So linggo ngayon dito nagsimba kami. Ang aming topic sa aming church is about marriage. Kasi nakaraang linggo is yung bakit single ka, ganyan, di ba? Kasi sabi nung isang pastor, magkaiba kasi nung pastor nung nakaraang linggo eh. So, sabi nung nakaraang pastor, kaya single ka, parang tinuturuan ka pa ni Jesus, paano mo makilala si Jesus, ganyan. Yun yung, yung topic namin nakaraang linggo. Pero ngayon, about marriage nga, yung ang natutunan ko for today's video is yung mahalin mo yung love your spouse how you love yourself, parang ganon. Kahit anong ano pa yan, kahit anong ugali, parang ganon. At saka sabi ng isang pastor is, what is that? The pastor said, love your wife, pick the person that's aligned, something like that.
Along with your beliefs.
Your beliefs, ganon. Tarain mo, yung mga ganon. Kasi pagka hindi mo daw pinili yung mapapangasawa mo na magkaiba kayo ng beliefs, lagi kayong
So like
mag-aaway.
example, if you believe in like God's teachings, but you're with somebody that's like an atheist and they don't believe in God, they don't believe in any of God's principles, then it's not gonna work out, you know? But if you're atheist and your partner's an atheist, then it's fine. But if you're, believe in God and your partner doesn't, then it's gonna be a lot of problem. That's what he's trying to say. That's why you pick somebody that is aligned with you. So you both value the same, principles.
So, andito na kami sa Walmart. So, ayun yung natutunan namin for today's video.
Ready?
Yes. Ang dami kong dandruff. Dandruff girl. So, andito namin sa Walmart. Medyo malaking Walmart dito. Parang kasing laki siya ng school namin. Ay, hindi na siya malaki yata yung school. Ay, hindi ko alam. So, pasok na ako sa Walmart. Veggies? We only have salaries.
That's all?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. You forgot. Nakamadali niya yung dinosaur. So, bili tayo ng cucumber.
Cucumbers.
So, bili tayo ng cucumber kasi mahilig kaming kumain ng cucumber. Ay, no. So, bibili lang kami ng mga gulay. Mura lang naman yung mga gulay dito. Nasa $2.98. Mga ganon. Yung cabbage namin is 78 cents dollars lang. So, napakamura yung gulay. Pero, pag kinonvert nga naman, mahal. So, ito cabbage, broccoli, tapos magnilaga ako o kaya bulalo. So, bumili ako na yan. At saka isang asparagus bee. So, bili tayo ng mga green para healthy. Gusto ko nga bumili ng ng blackberries. Ito. So, yung ganito nila is $4.48, 49, 46. So, balik tayo. Here, babe. So, bumibili kami ngayon ng asparagus. Namin talong. Papakita ko sa inyo yung talong.
No, actually, right here.
What is this? Ang laki. Ang taba.
You want to get the eggplant? Small one? Oh. Do they have any more green bell peppers?
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna get
Get 2. And the red one. Maybe 1.
You want the red one?
bibili lang ako nito para sa pag nag-aparitada or caldereta.
One green, one red.
So, I want white onion.
White onions? You like the white onions now?
Yeah, and the red. It's up to you. I think for me, it's the same.
The white onion is mostly cooked with meat, and the green onion, the red onion is mostly with like veggies, soup,
Teka lang.
lettuce. Well, yeah. What's that? Spinach? No, that's romaine. Lettuce.
So, I wanna try this. So, bili tayo neto.
Try that.
Tapos, masarap siya pagka kakainin mo lang siya ng hilaw. Tapos magluluto ka ng beef, diba? So, bili tayo ng mga ganito. Ang maganda rin sa Amerika, maraming mga gulay. Pero yung mga gulay sa Philippines, wala di tulad ng kangkong, meron silang okra, pero wala silang kangkong.
I keep thinking that's what open spot. It's
You
your
keep
turn.
always doing that. So, let's go buy a onion, and we still have a lot of garlic, so I think I'm just gonna buy onion. So, bili tayo ng white onion. Ay, yellow onion pala. So, $5. Oh my God, $5. Pero marami na siya.
You cook that with meat as well.
So, bili tayong patatas. Mga ilang piraso lang. Patatas. So, kuha lang ako ng isang patatas. Or pag nag-adobo, di ba may mga patatas, tapos nilalagay itlog, di ba? Gusto ko na adobong pa. Ang dami nilang pakita ko sa inyo guys. Yan ang dami nilang pumpkins, di ba? For holiday. Lang, maliit lang na. Big one. Yeah.
What do you need?
One only.
Just one?
Yeah.
We should get two. So
Okay.
we have plenty. So if you cook one, there's one more backup.
Okay. Ito guys. Wait, what is this for? That's crazy.
I used to like to carve pumpkin, but now I don't like to do that.
So cute. But I think this one they can eat, right?
You could if you don't. They're not very good.
Oh, yun, okay. Banana. So, bili siya ng banana. So, ayun ang niya, 50 cents lang. O, di ba? Mura din. I'm gonna buy a croissant. So, bili tayo ng croissant dito. Ay, ang sarap po. Kaya lang diet ako eh. No, ang sarap niya. $11 lang siya. So, ito yung binibili kong croissant dito. Yung mini Ay, ano bang date ngayon? So, ganito. Croissant cheese. Ito, all croissant lang. Ayan. 15. Ano lang siya? $4.98. So, bili tayo yung bagong yung matagal matagal na expired. Ayun, 15. Oh, ayan. Hinahanap ko lagi yung matagal na expired para fresh. Yeah. So, ayan. Ayan na yung nabili namin. Tapos, ano pa ba? Dito tayo sa meat. Dati ito yung favorite ko. Hindi ko na makain-kain yan kasi may siya, marami siyang sugar. Ayun o, ganito yung favorite ko dati. Kaya lang hindi ko na makain ngayon. Ang dami niyang sugar. A lot of sugar eh.
No, if you're not taking your premium, then how much sugar is in there?
It's a lot.
12 grams. It's up to you. So bad.
Ito, parang masarap siya. Hindi ka na eat
Probably
this.
has more sugar. 19 grams. It's slightly more. You rather have this? Yes?
I don't know about you.
Danny's gonna probably eat 3/4 of this by the end of the day before he goes home. There'll be like 2
Now I'm gonna
slices
hide it
left.
first.
There's gonna be 2 slices left.
I'm gonna hide it. So, ayan na yung bibili niya.
This is lower sugar.
Okay.
And it's also tastes good.
11.
10 and 12 only. Well, the vanilla probably has 12. The vanilla has 12. But at least Danny won't touch it. Because if he sees it's not chocolate, he won't touch it.
Okay. Parang masarap din to. Chocolate.
Cupcake pops.
Maraming inaano. So, let's go to the meat shop. Medyo maraming tao, ha. So, let's go buy ground beef. 2 ground beef.
Cook it with some mushrooms. So I'm actually gonna go with fresh ground beef. I always buy 73, 20% fat. Because these are the best.
Can you find, let me see if it's expired. Okay, we just
I
say,
think this is about a pound. Let me see what it says here. 16 ounce, yeah. So it's about a pound. This is a pound gum.
so it's only $5.64. So, ito pagka gumagawa kami ng ano, ito yung binibili namin.
And that's for cooking right now.
So, ito yung aming binibiling ground
For
beef.
later, like the one that's already wrapped up like this, because then they last longer.
Yeah.
Because the one that is in like this, it's not wrapped up so well. So if you don't eat it soon, then it's not going to be good.
Okay. So, ito yung mga beef. Gusto ko bumili na ito. Baby, can I buy beef? Dapat yung medyo may mataba ko. Ay, ang mahal naman na ito.
Sausages last time?
No, I like the sausages, the one that so I'm gonna buy. Hold on, I cannot see. Ayun naman yung mga baboy nila, oh. Tinatanggal nila yung mga taba kasi ayaw nila. So kukuhain ko nga yung isang beef doon. Saan ba yung isang beef? Ito na lang. Ito na lang pang kaldereta ko. So, ang asawa ko magbibili siya ng chicken.
Chicken.
Why it's a little bit?
It's just going to be you, me, and Nick.
So, ayan. Tapos, gusto ko rin nito. Ang adobo ko, no? Yeah, I want this. Should get... Yeah, we can get this one.
Want the chicken feet?
Yeah. Ay, ito pala yung mga liver, so... Ayun pala yung mga yan. Naka-pack siya. Hindi ko alam. So, pili siya ng favorite hotdog niya. Ito yung favorite hotdog ko, guys. Ang aking favorite hotdog. Ito. One of my favorite.
The one you bought last time?
Yeah.
Jalapeno peppers?
Yeah.
Let me jalapeno cheddar.
Uh-huh.
Want to buy 2?
Yeah. Oh, we can buy different.
You want to try a different one?
What is the different?
One is cheddar. It's the same thing. Yeah, you could try the smoked.
So, ayan yung mga price niya. Kasi last time nakita ko na yan. Ay, natikman ko na yan. Nakita ko na yan. Natikman ko na siya. Ang sarap niya. Kaya sabi ko, bibili nga ulit ako nung gano'n. Bira lang naman kasi kami nag-hotdog eh. So, bibili muna kami ng snacks. Para pagka... Ay, parang gusto ko na ito. Parang gusto ko ng fita. Ang bilis naman na ito maglakad. So, dito kami laging bumibili ng snacks. Pero yung snacks na binibili ko naman, pang healthy emerald. Yung,
You want your French onions and scanning it all of it?
yeah. So, ito yun. Ay, Pepe! Malaglag. Ayan, favorite ko yung French onion. Tapos, asan nga ba yung aking ano? Vicky's, Miss Vicky's. Masarap din tong Miss Vicky's. Ito yung lagi namin binibili sa Subway. Masarap din yan. Try nyo rin. Kaya lang kasi yung isa kong favorite, eh wala rito. Yung isang medyo maanghang-anghang. Pero masarap din to ah. Anong gusto ko ng cookies? Kahit may cookies pa, no? Hindi tayo. Kasi minsan lang kami mag-grocery. Eto, masarap to. Lasang-lasa yung butter niya. Masarap siya. Hindi ako makakatanggi. Pero parang masarap to. Try ko nga to. Baby, can I buy this? Dark chocolate with sea salt cookies.
Sure.
Kanya. Baby, look. The expiration.
Don't worry. If you're gonna eat it soon, don't worry about it.
It's 9/8, oh. So it's over.
Sell by. It just says sell by. That means that it's not expired, but they want to sell it by that.
Okay.
So if you're gonna eat it anyway, don't worry about it. There's not a lot in there, so eat cookies. And I'll eat some with you.
Ang kitang packaging niya, no? Para siyang, hindi siya plastic. Para siyang papel na matigas. Dami. Bumili ka na? Did you buy the for kids?
I'm gonna get the small bag at the checkout for them. I'm gonna buy the big bag.
Okay.
Big bag? I want to eat the whole bag by myself. Because if I do that, then I can eat the whole bag by myself.
So, ito yung Asian store nila dito. Asian ng mga product nila. So, lahat nandito. Puro Korean, China. Pero ang gusto ko lang naman dyan yung ano eh. Yung ramen. Minsan nakain din ako ng ramen pagka wala kaming ulam. So, ito minsan yung kinakain ko rito. Pero ngayon, hindi maglalaylo muna ako sa mga maanghang. Kasi sakit ng ano ko pagka makain ako ng ganyan. At saka ito yung soy sauce. Ito laging binibili namin dito. Pero ngayon, meron pa naman kami. So, ang asawa ko, bumibili lang ng rice. Dito kami nabili ng rice. Okay. Let's go. You want some pasta?
No, I got too much stuff to cook already.
Okay.
I'll do spaghetti maybe next time. Fun sauce?
Yeah. You want sauce, but Fong's favorite sauce. It's like a vinegar or
You
something.
need that?
Is this the one?
Yeah, that's for steak.
But this one is not the vinegar, I guess.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You remember when we ate a Longhorn and Fong asked the sauce? I don't know what's that name, but maybe this one. I think it just like tastes like a vinegar or something like that. So, bibili kami ng aming sauce for aming barbecue chicken. Dito kami nabili. So, ayun. Puro, ano siya, puro sauce. Ito naman, puro spicy noodles. May mga canned goods doon. So, ano ba yung sauce na binibili natin? Alam ko nandito yun eh. Alam ko parang ganito yun. Kalimutan ko na. Ay, parang ayun yata yun. Hindi ko alam kasi mayroong kausap pa eh. Yeah, that one.
Little pork. Barbecue sauce. I don't remember, but we'll try this one. All barbecue sauce are similar, but some are better than others.
May ano so steak sauce, babe. Steak sauce.
You want steak sauce? Go and get it. Pick whichever one.
I don't
you want.
know what's that sauce.
You don't know which one? Then I would recommend either one, because this is the one I like.
Okay.
This is the one. This one's good with sauce.
Meron din sila Subway, oh, babe. Subway. We should get this one.
The sauce are making sense.
Yeah, we should get this one so I'm not gonna buy Subway anymore.
We don't have any stuff to eat.
So, ayan po yung ano, yung mga palaman dito. Ito naman, mayonnaise. Ay, may mayonnaise din sila. Pero ako hindi ako hilig sa mayonnaise eh. May mayonnaise pa kami. So, ayan. Dami nilang sauce dito, oh. Nakakatuwa. Parang lahat kompleto na. Ito yung mga nilalagay sa burger, eh. Diba? Ito, favorite ko to. We have. Yeah. So, pakita natin. Ayan pa lang. So, hindi pa tayo tapos mag-grocery. Yung asawa ko bumili na naman ng ano, ng ice cream. Kaya hindi ako nakakapag-diet dito eh. So, ito nga pala. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong favorite ko. Sa Korea yata ito ginawa. Product. Hindi ko alam kung may, ano, basta para siyang Korean. Pero ayun yung lag kong binibili. Isang veggies na pork and veggies dumplings at saka chicken dumplings. So, ano ba yan? Nakakaano naman ito asawa ko. Parang hindi ako pinapapayat talaga. Paano tayo papayat niya? Puro ice cream yung sakit. So, ito nga pala yung kanilang mga cake dito. Yung cake nila rito, ayan yung mga price. $12, $5, $2. Ito yung mga maliliit, $2 lang to. Ito sabi ng asawa ko, masarap daw to. New York cheesecake. Ayan, masarap daw yan. Pero hindi ko pa natitikman. Meron pa silang carrot cake, emerald cake, ganyan. Ay, ang ganda, may butterfly. Yeah. I need tomato paste.
Tomato paste.
Yeah. Ay, ang taray, oh. No. Just look.
Let's go.
Let's go to tomato paste. There.
We'll get our tomato paste and we'll get cat toy and cat food.
Okay.
And what else?
Water,
Yeah, mom.
eggs.
You need more eggs?
Yeah. Because we only have one left.
We should probably get some juice. Orange juice.
So, yung egg dito is, how much is that? $4.72. So, 18 ano na siya? Is that 18 pieces?
Yes. One more. So two.
Okay. It's only,
Make it with us, so we have to buy double.
yeah. So, it's only $4. So, nasa 200 plus. So, ito, bumili ang aking asawa ng cheesecake for honey, and this is for me, dark hazelnut. Hindi ko pa natitikman to, kaya sabi ko, itry ko muna. So, ito yung ang kanyang biniling ice cream. Juice. Bibili rin siya ng favorite bacon.
Want bacon?
Yeah, we don't have bacon. So, bumili siya ng bacon. Tapos, bibili rin kami ng juice for vitamin C. Diba? Vitamin C. Malaki na, no? So, ayan yung mga juice nila rito. Ang yung binibili lagi ng asawa ko, yung Sunny D. Excuse me. Ito, please. So, ayan. Sa $3 lang siya. Ayan. Yan ang lagi binibili na. $3.38.
Two anyway.
So, yung aming water is $4.97. Ito siya. Yan. So, ito yung kinuha namin. So, ito naman yung mga juice. Ek-ek, ganyan. Ang cute naman, ang liliit. Ang cute. Ay, ang cute naman ito. Nasa bote siya. Wala kang pakialam kung ano na yun. No? Basta nakita ang kabil ka lang. Ganun. So, ito yung mga juice dito.
Saw it before.
Ayun o, be, apple juice.
Yeah.
Ayun o.
Oh yeah.
So, ito yung kinukuha niya. So, ang linaw ng camera, no?
Like the apple juice?
I didn't taste it, so I'm gonna drink that later.
Okay, this is for Danny.
So, ayan yung ano. So, let's go to Clorox. Not so. Filterin ko mga to. So, dito na tayo sa mga panglinis ng bahay. Parang, ayan. Ayan. So,
Disinfect.
yan yung lagi binibili namin.
This is a great value version. This is $12.98, so it's $13 or $3 more. 225 rice. It's the same thing. Let's try the great value. See how well it works.
Okay. What is this then? Ang cute naman na ito.
Soap pump. Oh, that's just for soap.
Papump mo siyang gano'n. Okay. Ang cute.
Maybe it could be handy. But I think this is just for washing hands. Foam soap pump. Yeah, this is just for washing hands.
I wanna buy something like this for the...
I don't think you need that, babe.
For the... What's that called? Pan.
For the pan?
Yeah. Because I always use the scotch, something for foam. And it's always get dirty. So I need something like that.
Like this?
Uh-huh.
I don't think this is going to do anything.
It is for the pan.
Okay. You're the one doing the dishes.
Ayan.
Okay, let's go.
Ito po. So, ito yung binibili namin. Medyo mahal na siya. I think this is the one that I need. So, it's much cheaper.
No, I think this is better for the pan. If you're using for the pan, this is better. And this is a little bit cheaper, but it's also weaker too. This is for dishes. This is for pans and pots. So, Synchros dish brush.
Okay.
If you want it for the pan, this will be for the pan. This is not going to cut it.
Okay.
This is soft.
Are we not gonna buy that?
Do you need any more?
I only have one left.
Okay, might as well get it.
Okay.
That's it? Okay, let's go.
So, dito tayo sa cat food. Why you gonna buy that? Why not cat food?
Hmm?
Why not the one that it's a dry something like that?
Well, he's just a small kitten, so he has to have that one that he can eat.
So, bibili kami ng jumping rope. Ito,
Jump rope.
$4 only yung.
You want this one?
Ano, $4 lang siya. So, medyo mura.
You want the gray one? There's green, there's blue.
I like the gray one.
You like the gray one? Okay.
This one is good.
It's a jump rope. They
So,
all work the same.
ano pa ba yung kailangan natin?
Let's see what else they have.
Dito ako bumili ng ball na ano, mga exercise. Ito siya oh. Ayan. Medyo mura lang siya. Mga $13. I think I need this one.
The wheel?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think they're strong enough to do it.
I
You're probably gonna wait on it.
But this one is much expensive.
Yeah, it's the same thing. It's made of rubber. Yeah, this one you gotta be strong to do it, because if you're not strong enough, you won't be able to do it. It's very hard.
Look there, someone's eating the chocolate. I'm put it in there. Look.
They're eating that, and then they're also in the exercise section.
So, ito yung mga pang-exercise nila rito. Ayan. Dahil mga bola, no? Gusto ko bumili ng volleyball. May let's buy a volleyball.
Not this time.
Ito gusto ko. $20. $20. Hindi na ako nakita, natakpang ko.
Alright.
So, ito yung $4.
These are too long or not?
9 feet.
Yeah, 9 foot rope.
9 foot pala. 9 feet. So, ayun lang.
Alright, let's go. Come on. We have broken steps, so we have to get going.
Okay. Uwi na kami.
Stick around forever.
Ang ganda ng mga bike dito. Oh. Pang ano. Ayan o. So, uwi na kami. Mga katsupa. Pagod na yung asawa ko. Kakalakad sa akin. Dito sa mga ano natin. Next time na tayo dyan sa mga pampaganda. Kasi meron pa ako dyan eh. So, ay, ang daming ibon. Kita niyo yung araw, palubog na yung sunset. Naka-ano kami guys, magti $300. So, ilagay muna namin dito yung kulit ang mga ibon eh, no? Oh, di ba? May mga ibon talaga. Ay!
Oh!
Oh, so sad!
What's he doing?
I go to the car seat
Forgot about Arnie's toy.
Akala nung isa, akala, maybe they thought that it was a real baby.
Yeah, shocking too, because I forgot she put her toys in it.
It was a prank.
It's a prank. You take your eggs inside, okay?
Yeah. Put it later. So now I'm gonna help you put it here.
I can do it. You take your eggs inside. And you can do your vlog.
But I wanna help you. Gulat yung isa.
This should last
Dami,
us
there's a lot.
the next 2 weeks.
Maybe 1 month.
Well, Nick is with us, so it might not last this long. It's okay.
Papasok na ako. Is it open?
Yep, it's open.
Nagulat yung ano, yung kasama, yung tumingin dun sa aming back door. Nakita niya kasi may baby. Naroon kasi ito ni Honey. Ako rin na-prank kayo, kala ko may bata. Oh my God.
That's the baby that she wanted so badly.
Na-prank yung ano.
And she forgot about her
There's a girl.
baby.
He was so she was so shocked. He thought that it was a real baby. It was not. Kasi nagulat ako eh. Bakit may nakahigang baby? Akala ko multo. I thought it was a ghost, something like that. Someone's pranking us. So, ito kasi yung ano.
At first I was like, who left the baby there? And I said, oh, wait a minute, that's Honey's baby.
It's a prank.
It's so real. Look, it's so real. It's cute too.
Meron kasi siyang hair. Pero etong baby ano na to, baby doll, hindi na bubukas yung mata kasi
Even the hair is so real.
nagulat ako talaga. Parang nalaglag yung puso ko. Akala ko ano. Natawa rin yung isang babae. Narinig niya yung tawa niya. Pero ayun nga guys, yung aming napamili is natatawa talaga ako dito. Sit down. Kaya aming napamili is mahigit $300. So nasa 15,000 pesos mahigit siya. So medyo malaki-laki rin. Pero hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan namin pero usually pagka nag-grocery kami ng ganyan. Dati ang pang-grocery lang namin nasa 200 lang, pero ngayon parang nagmahal na. Siguro kasi marami kami nabili. Ano nga tag dito? Sabi ng asawa ko dati daw pag mag-grocery daw siya, yung president pa daw nila is si Trump. Ang lagi lang daw niyang pinamimili pag ganun daw ang mga pinag-grocery niya. So 100, isn't it $100 when you do grocery before?
Around 150. So it's half of that cost.
So tinong naman.
And this was only like maybe almost 5 years ago only. So it's not that long ago. So around 4.5 years ago, everything was half the cost. Now it's double in a very short amount of time.
Natatawa ako sa kahapon kasi pumasok ang aking asawa. May kumakatok sa aming door. Knocking the door, something like that. And then they giving parang ano ba yung tawag doon, yung papers para nga daw i-vote si Kamala, ganyan. E binuksan namin yung pinto ni Dan. Pagkasara ng pinto, Danny tear the papers apart. We're gonna vote for Trump. He said, natatawa ko sa aking stepson kasi medyo funny rin yung batang yun. Hindi na siya ganun kakulit na sobrang kulit, diba? Pagka bagets. Pero kasi nasa age na siya ng mga 11. So Danny is 11, so he's not very naughty like other kids na pagka 6, 7, 8 o kaya lalo na yung mga 4 years old, 5 years old, yan, makukulit yung mga yan. Buti na lang talaga medyo malaki na yung aking mga stepkids, no? Kasi nakilala ko sa aking asawa, si Danny 6 years old, si 7 years old, mga ganun. O si Annie, nasa mga 10 years old na siya nung time na yun. So ngayon medyo malaki-laki na. Pwede nang gumawa ng isa pang baby.
Remember them when they were so young?
Yeah.
And they're still with me. That was almost 4 years ago. So Danny would be 7 years old and Honey would be 10 years old.
Yeah.
They're still very young. But can you believe-
I remember when I call you and Daddy pick up and then say, "Oh, are you dating my dad? You should date my dad." Sabi ni Danny sa akin nung time eh, "You should date my dad. My dad is really good, nice man," something like that. He was trying to say something good to you so I can say yes.
Well, most kids they're usually not in favor because that would mean that their father is moving on and their mother's being left behind. So then they're usually not in favor of it. But I'm surprised that he was. Even though he loved his mom too, he's very attached.
But why he was doing that to you?
Because he's also on my side. Because me and him, we have a good relationship. And I treat my kids very well. I discipline them very well.
So, malapit na kami sa bahay. Di ba? Ang bilis lang ng ating
I'm sure he does for his mom too.
Epic.
But, like she just really doesn't care.
Nalaglag yung ating hindi masyadong maano to. Natawa ko dito sa baby. Ano kaya kung may baby kami dito siya papapuin, no? Sabihin, babasya ko niyan. Ba't pa pinauupo yung baby dyan? There's a babysitter. Babysitter ba? Is it called?
Yeah, babysit.
Kung mamaya magkamali ako. Bash na naman. Ay, wala naman. Salamat sa Diyos kasi wala pang nagbabash sa akin. Kasi kung meron man, pag nasasal ko na lang. Bataan ko man. Yung yung ating neighbors, nagagawa siya ng ng mga Halloween effect. Kasi mag-Halloween na. Excited na akong mag-Halloween. Kakatok ako sa mga bahay-bahay. Kunwari bagets. So, are we gonna bring this one?
Yeah, we're gonna bring it back to the plane. Okay, bring it.
No, I think Honey's gonna go home.
Yeah, you're right. We'll leave it in here. 'Cause she's going home later.
Yeah.
So leave the baby in here. Okay, get the egg.
Dito na kami sa bahay.
We're gonna open the door. Go through the back.
Okay. So, dito na tayo mag-e-end. Maraming salamat sa mga nanood, mga kachupa, at dun sa mga nag-subscribe sa aking mga video. Maraming salamat po. At sana gabayan ko yun ng aking makeup. Maraming salamat. God bless.